Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming software is current and the icon pack you want is installed. Once done, decide whether you mean the visual home screen icon pack or the default app used for actions. Open Settings, then search Home Screen or Apps depending on your choice. This shortcuts the process and prevents backtracking. Make sure you have a backup or screenshot of your current layout before changing icons so you can revert if the new look isn't right. If you want a new visual set, open Settings, tap Themes, then Icons, preview and apply the pack. This replaces all supported app icons consistently. If you mean behavior, go to Settings, Apps, Default Apps, pick the category like Browser or Launcher, and set the app you prefer. This changes which app opens links or files. Once applied, return to the home screen and give it a moment to refresh. You can clear home app cache to force an update if needed. Finish by inspecting the home screen and editing any single icon. Long press an app and choose Edit to swap its graphic if the launcher allows it. If icons revert or don't apply correctly, clear the home app cache in Settings App's home storage, then reapply the pack. This often resolves refresh issues. If problems persist, boot into safe mode to test for third-party launcher conflicts. Disable conflicting apps, then reapply the icon settings when.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.